So then the question is, what is the aim of social policy? So the aim really of social policy is to improve people's welfare and is especially concerned with the welfare of those who are vulnerable. And I would like to insist very much on this word vulnerable because, again, this could be one of the key distinctions of social policy and public policy. That in social policy, we are addressing the needs of people generally with a clear focus on people's perceived vulnerability. When we adopt policies around housing, for example, yes, we are thinking about many people, but mostly about the people who are, in the conditions of homelessness or who are being affected by the housing crisis. So social policy is concerned with both the overall welfare of society, but also with how welfare or well-being is distributed among different groups of people. So throughout the semester, you'll hear more of these, and we shall try to examine really whether and how government social policies always achieve these aims of addressing people's welfare, or does it happen at times that we just have these aims in social policies, but we can't achieve them? So, putting it together, you'll have observed that social policy is such a contested area of practice and even a contested concept. It is politicized, it is dynamic, it is normative, and there may be many other features which you might want to add on these. It is contested in particular because different actors and groups you will often disagree on what the problems are, what priorities are there, and what solutions can we adopt in terms of policies to address those. But also it's politicized because it's shaped by competing political ideologies and value positions, but also power struggles and public debates. And it is dynamic because it evolves over time, often in a non-linear way. And I think this is, the reason why we often have policy reforms, because we understand that what the society needs today might not be what they will need tomorrow. And we need technically to reform or even to change the existing policies. And all this, of course, policy again are normative, because policies are always value laden, built on assumptions and moral judgments about what is desirable, what is fair, what is justice, what is considered just, and all those are key considerations when considering social policies. So I would like now to invite you at this point, if you have identified any other features of social policy, or any other considerations you'd like us to take into account when defining social policy, please drop those in the Padlet you have in your online learning packages for this week. Thank you. See you in the next recording.